Hello everybody, welcome to Maths Pidgin today. The name never change, it still be wetin e be. So we dey continue from our last class where we don dey talk of sets. So today we wan talk about intersection of sets, and then we come write the definition for here. We say two sets A and B don intersect if we collect all elements wey dey for A and for B. So the notation for intersection na this symbol. If you don do something like this, we don denote or we don give sign of intersection. So wetin this definition mean be say if we don collect the elements, all elements wey common for B and A get am, B get am. If we collect all the elements wey A get and wey set B get, then we don collect the intersection of A and B. So now, if I get set A, wey say make I list or say all integers, make I write positive, all positive integers less than or equal to 20, like this. And then I come say set B, all factors of 20, like this. I don get two sets, set A and set B. Abi? Now, if I say make I look for A intersection B like this, then I go get another set wey go give me elements wey common for here and for here. So elements wey common inside the two sets, na im go form elements of this set. So A will get this element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Now all the elements wey we get for A be that. Say all positive elements less or equal to 20. And then for B now, for B, I get my elements, all factors of 20. So I get 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, Abi, and 20. Now to find this set of A intersecting B, or A intersection B, to find the element, then we go look for elements wey dey common here and here. So which elements be that one? I get 1 for here, I get 1 for here. So 1 is making it. I get 2 for here, 2 dey here. So 2 dey here. I get 4 for here, 4 dey here. So I go write 4. I get 5 for here, 5 dey here. I don write 5. And then I get 10 for here, 10 dey here. So I will write 10. And then I get 20 for here, and 20 dey here. I will write 20. All these ones, they don't form the elements of that set A intersection B. Collect the element wey dey common between 2 or more sets. I hope say that one clear. The next thing we go talk about na union of sets. So union of sets like this, you say the union of sets A and B. If I don't get two sets A and B, so their union na another set wey collect all the elements wey dey for A and B. Our sign or notation notation for or of unionism or union of sets. Union of sets, now something like this. We make it like this, like U. So A union B, for this our example, now another set we collect every element wey dey for A and every element wey dey for B. So A union B for example na 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So this one are the set of A union B. Now, see wetin happen. I don write all these ones. Abi, this A union B come be like say na the same element wey A get, na I write. Abi, make una no confuse am o. So since I get one for here, I get one for here. If I just pick one, write am for here, I don write am be that. So no be say you go come write 1, 1. Na because all the elements wey B get dey for A, na im make we write all these ones like this. So if you get one for here, you get one for here. Once you don pick the one, we don write am. We get 2 for here, we get 2 for here. Once we don pick the 2, we don write am. So every element wey dey here and the ones wey dey here, all of them we don write down for here. So na so we dey take write union of 2 or more sets. Abi? Alright, we wan talk about disjoint sets. Abi? So if 2 sets, A and B, no get element wey common inside there, then those 2 sets, they don disjoint be that. So what do we mean be say, if I get set A intersect set B, and I can't get empty sets, then these 2 sets, they disjoint with that. It means say they don't get any elements in common. Example, now, if I collect A intersect B like this, so I dey look for sets, I dey look for elements where they here and still appear here. So now, all these ones where they here are numbers, and these ones are alphabet. It means that they don't get any elements in common. So this one now empty sets. So if A intersection B like this give us empty sets, just like these 2, then we will say the sets they disjoint. Nothing concern the 2 sets. Any set they on its own. Now wetin disjoint mean? We'll talk about power set. So a set will collect all subsets of any set X. Now the power set of X be that. I don't know whether this definition makes sense. So if I get set X like this, will give me some element like this, A like this. Then the power set of this set, what we go write like this. This one mean the power set of set X. Now what does this one mean? So the power set now the collection of all subsets of another set X. Example, this one a unity set. As this set get one element, so the subset of this set go be 1, I'll get empty sets, and then the second subset I go get the set A. So the power set of this set now collection of this subset. So I'll get empty set and then set A like this. So this one now is the power set of this set. Then if I want to collect the cardinality of this power set, cardinality of the power set like this, then it will be 2, huh? Yes. So check the power set of another set. We get 2 elements, A and B, like this. So we will collect all the subsets of this set. the first subset, I'll get A, or empty set. The first subset, now empty set. And then the second subset, now A. And then the third subset, now B. And then the fourth subset, now A, B. All these ones, now the subset of this set. So the power set of this set X, now empty set bar, then I will get A, then I will get B, then I'll get A, comma B. So this one is power set of this set. If I want to collect the cardinality of this set, I will get the cardinality like this as 4. 4. We could check another power set. Power set of another set, we get 3 elements. These elements. So the subset of this set, first we'll get empty set. Second we'll get set A. And then we'll get set B. And then we'll get C bar. And then we'll get A and B, like this. And then we'll get A and C, like this. And then we'll get B and C, like this. And then we can get subset A, B, C, like this. And what we will get? So it means that the power set of this set Q get all these elements. So this set get how many elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Get 8 elements. So the cardinality of this power set of Q now 8 elements. In general, if you get sets, the cardinality of any power set 2 raised to power m, where m now the number of the elements where they inside the set. Where they inside the set. Abi? Like the first one, okay, we get set, we get 1 element. We can't take the cardinality of the power of the set after we don't look for the power of the set. So the cardinality of the power of the set now 2. So if we use this formula, the cardinality of that set now 2 raised to power 1, which give us 2, Abi? 2 raised to power 1 give us 2. And now the cardinality what we get for here. For this set, we will get 2 elements. So we can't take the power of this set, can't take the cardinality of the power of that set. So we can't get 4 elements. So if we put down for that our formula, where say the cardinality of the power of any set X, now 2 raised to power n, bam. So I get 2 elements. If our m are the number of elements, so if I take 2 raised to power 2, I will get 4. What we say now, what we get for here. So see this place. See this place. This place, we get 3 elements for here now. And we don't take the power of this set. We can't get this set. And then we take the cardinality of the power of the set, we can't get 8. So if we put down for that formula, 2 raised to power n, and our m are 3. So if we take 2 raised to power 3, we will get 8. So to get the cardinality of the power set of any set, we will use this formula. This formula will give us the number of subsets what we go fit get from any set. So any set where you get, just count the number of their elements. Any number where you get, raise 2 to that number of the elements. You go get all possible subsets. The number of all possible subsets where you go get from that set. I hope it's clear. Alright, for our next class, we will take example.